Beetroot is a popular, highly beneficial vegetable that has long been used in the treatment of various health problems. This vegetable was first cultivated by the Romans, and it was consumed by them and the ancient Greeks for many ailments, including high body temperature. Beetroots are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, B6 and C, zinc, magnesium, chlorine, iodine, flavonoids, calcium, sodium, betaine and many natural nitrites. They are also rich in potent antioxidants and low in fat. In addition, they are an excellent source of folic acid and a very good source of fiber, manganese, and potassium, as well as contain organic compounds like carotenoids, lutein/zeaxanthin, and glycine. Due to the hypoallergenic qualities of chlorine, the functions of the organs are stimulated and the kidneys, gallbladder, and lymph are cleansed. Both the leaves and the root can be consumed. The leaves are bitter, while the root is sweet. Beetroot's rich nutrient density aids in the successful treatment of conditions and diseases such as anemia, low immunity, thyroid problems, atherosclerosis, diabetes, high blood pressure, and sleeping disorders. Here's a list of health conditions and diseases that can be successfully cured with beetroot. 1. Lowered blood pressure. Owing to their high nitrate content, which produces nitric oxide in the blood, beetroots help lower blood pressure. Nitric oxide causes widening of blood vessels and lowering of blood pressure. Control your high blood pressure by consuming 2 glasses of beetroot juice a day. 2. Treats anemia and iron deficiency. Beetroots are an excellent source of iron, which stimulates the regeneration of red blood cells and helps prevent or even cure anemia. 3. Helps prevent and treat cancer. Beetroot juice contains anti-tumor properties that help protect the cells and induce cell regeneration. The substance that gives beetroots their rich purple-crimson color is known as beta-cyanine, which is a powerful agent, believed to help suppress the development of some cancer types. 4. Improves mood and mental health. The betaine contained in beetroots helps in the treatment of depression, while the tryptophan present in them helps relax the mind and create a sense of well-being. 5. Enhances blood flow. Due to the high content of nitrates that convert into nitrites and then to nitric oxide, beetroots help boost the blood flow to the brain. 6. Detoxifies the liver. The high betaine content of beetroots helps promote the function of the liver. 7. Fights inflammation. Beetroots help boost the immune system and fight inflammatory processes in the body thanks to their high antioxidant content. 8. Prevents birth defects. Pregnant women are strongly recommended to moderately consume beetroot juice throughout their pregnancy due to the high content of folate and folic acid, which help prevent numerous birth defects. 9. Treats menopause symptoms and menstrual disorders. Beetroots are packed with iron, the mineral that stimulates the regeneration of red blood cells, thereby aiding in the treatment of menopause symptoms and menstrual disorders. 10. Benefits your muscles. The consumption of beetroot juice helps increase muscle power and strength. The research from Northumbria University showed that drinking this juice after exercise decreases muscle soreness and helps muscles to recover. By drinking this juice regularly, you will achieve great results. 11. Treats constipation. Beetroot juice helps boost metabolism, thereby effectively treating any issues with constipation. 12. Improves skin complexion. Thanks to the powerful anti-aging properties and the high folate content, beetroots help in the maintenance of a healthy, wrinkle-free and acne-free complexion. Regular consumption of beetroot juice will help you eliminate blemishes, fight acne, and wrinkles, as well as treat many other skin issues. 13. Boosts brain function and prevents dementia. One study found that owing to the high nitrate content, the consumption of beetroot juice could increase a person's stamina and brain function by 16%, as well as fight dementia. Possible side effects. 1. Eating a lot of beets or drinking too much beetroot juice can turn your urine pink, which is completely harmless. 2. Beetroots are high in oxalates, which prevent the absorption of calcium in the body, leading to its building up as stones in the kidneys. Therefore, you should eat this vegetable in moderate doses. 3. The red pigment found in beets can turn your stool dark,